From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Do have a wind advisory in effect until 7 o'clock this evening. These winds will still be strong at times, 15 to 20 miles per hour with some gusts even stronger, possibly up to 40 miles per hour. Have winter weather advisories in effect for parts of North Carolina. Earlier there was a winter storm warning in effect up towards Boone in the mountains of North Carolina that has expired at this point. It is going to be turning a lot colder over the next few days, and looking ahead 8 to 14 days out, still do expect colder than normal conditions January 13th through January 19th. So the 5 P's of cold weather: you do want to protect people, pets, pipes, plants, and as always, practice fire and heating safety. Cold front does move through. We'll have a little bit of sunshine before the day is done. Those breezes will continue to kind of stick around even into tonight, but it's going to be pretty cold tonight too, with lows in the mid to upper 20s. We'll enjoy a lot of sunshine for tomorrow, but temperatures kind of struggling into the, we'll say, mid to upper 40s. That'll be the trend as we go into Thursday as well. Weather Prediction Center still indicating the small chance for some wintry weather along and north of I-20. So this is something we're going to continue to monitor over the next few days as we do get a little bit closer to Friday and into Saturday. A closer look towards the Midlands. This is about a 10 to 30% chance. So a little bit of a wintry mix still possible. That could include freezing rain, could include sleet, could include maybe even a snowflake or two. Model comparison here. This is the European forecast model early Saturday morning at 2 a.m. and this is the American model, the GFS. So the American model showing a little bit of a wintry mix for parts of South Carolina. The European model showing basically rain at this point. Here's the American model. Once again, this is Friday evening. So this would be Friday evening showing at least that chance for wintry mix. You notice that warmer air does start to surge a little bit northward, and it should be all rain. And then the American model showing a little bit more rain kind of lingering into Saturday, possibly into Saturday afternoon, and then gradually that rain does move on out. European model shows a little bit of a different scenario, shows basically rain for South Carolina, not really expecting any kind of wintry weather, at least according to this forecast model. So you got two models showing two different things. Ice forecast, something we'll continue to watch according to the GFS, showing or the American model, I should say, showing a pretty good chance for some freezing rain for South Carolina, maybe even parts of North Carolina. The European model not showing as much freezing rain. We'll go ahead and show you the snow forecast because that's what everybody gets excited about. Here's the European forecast model, not showing a whole lot in South Carolina whatsoever, showing a little bit more in parts of North Carolina. And latest forecast model run from the GFS showing very light amounts of snowfall. But again, this will kind of go back and forth as we do move closer to Friday and Saturday. The latest from the American model showing the light amounts of freezing rain that's going to be possible for parts of South Carolina. So once again, we'll be watching that chance for a wintry mix. It looks like along and north of I-20 mainly at this point. So here's a couple of things we know and what we don't know. We do know there's going to be some colder weather. Low pressure is going to develop in the Gulf of Mexico. It's going to move towards the southeast. We know the general timing at this point, Friday and to Saturday. What we don't know, we don't really know the storm track. We don't know all the precipitation types for everywhere, and we don't know the amounts. But as we do get closer to Friday and the high resolution models will be in range, that'll give us a better idea of what we will see or what we don't see Friday and into Saturday. 50 degrees yesterday. We've had some rain this morning. That rain will kind of move on out, and we'll have dry conditions for tomorrow. Record is going to be safe. 78, record low 10, set in 1924. 101 years ago, that'll be safe. Record snow will be safe too. Back in 2002, we had a trace of snowfall. Temperatures will be falling for the rest of the afternoon, so we've probably already hit our daytime highs as that colder and drier air moves in. You'll notice the difference tomorrow with high temperatures kind of struggling into the mid to upper 40s on Wednesday. We do have weather impact alert days for Thursday, Friday, and early parts of Saturday. For Thursday because of the cold weather, and then for Friday into Saturday because of that chance for some wintry precipitation. Kind of broke down that earlier, so that's something we'll watch. Do believe the rain or wintry mix, whatever may fall, will be out of here pretty early on Saturday. But again, something we'll be monitoring. Rain over the weekend on Saturday in Myrtle Beach will be all liquid form. Rain in Charleston Saturday again, liquid form. The upstate though, notice that chance for some rain / snow Friday and early parts of Saturday. So if you're heading to the upstate, may run into some snowfall. The odds of having any kind of snowfall does increase the farther north you go. So if you are looking for some of that white stuff, you may need to head a little bit more towards the north. But we'll have a lot better idea of what we're going to see or what we don't see as we go into the rest of the work week. But looking ahead, 8 to 14 days out, we do expect drier than normal conditions for a large portion of the southeast. As always, you can follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Monday.